Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel or page. If you are new, here welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make such easy to crochet pattern. This is front and this is back. As you notice, this is double-sided pattern. It looks the same from the both sides. Let's look at the edge. Here how it looks. This is the top part of my piece of work. As you can see, this edge that can be used as a trim or a main pattern. Let's look at this example. It is made of rose. Now I took the second example. It is made of green color of yarn and work in rounds. It has bigger volume. The first one made of rose and the second one is done in rounds. In this tutorial I will show you how to make pattern as the first one. For work you need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. Let's crochet the pattern. Make a chain of 10. 1. Pattern consists of 1 stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well done. The foundation chain is ready. Then chain. Insert the hook into the next chain stitch. Make single crochet. Then I put the yarn from the left to the right around the stitch like this and pull. Continue, make single crochet, then like this, then put the yarn from the left to the right around the single crochet. Continue, make single crochet and put the yarn from the left to the right around the single crochet like this. Make single crochet. Then you should crochet single crochet with this method. It's not difficult, but in the same time very unusual pattern. Make single crochet and turn around the stitch. Continue single crochet and this method, single crochet and this method. I'm about to complete this row. This pattern can be used for trim, edging, for any project. Make single crochet into the last chain stitch. Let's look. Here how it looks. For a more unusual look you can use thick yarn or double or triple yarn. This is the first row. I turn the work, make a chain, make single crochet and turn the yarn around the stitch. Make single crochet and turn the yarn. This is the second row, and put the yarn around the stitch like this. Make single crochet like this. Then you should crochet in this way till the end of this row. Let's complete the second row of the main pattern. I did single crochet, now put the yarn around the stitch. Then single crochet around the stitch. Then make single crochet into the last stitch. The second row is done. I remind you, pattern consists of one stitch and has 2 rows. I have done my piece of work. Let's look at the ready example. You can use it as main pattern for handband, handbag, blouse, cardigan, jacket, blanket, tablecloths, or for hat or scarf. It depends what yarn you are choosing. I recommend you use thick thread for this pattern. Let's look at the top part. Here how it looks. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media and crochet with me.